Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chili dipping sauce. This simple recipe brings a burst of flavor to any dish. We'll start by gathering a few key ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 5 fresh red chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, and a 1-inch piece of ginger. Also, have on hand 1/2 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let's get started. Now that you have your ingredients, let's prepare them. Carefully mince your fresh red chilies, garlic, and ginger. The finer you chop them, the more their flavors will infuse into the sauce. If you prefer a very smooth texture, a food processor can do this job quickly. Next, accurately measure your 1/2 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Precision here ensures perfect balance. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Pour all your prepared ingredients into a small saucepan. Place it over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Stir it occasionally for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. To thicken, mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water to create a slurry. Whisk this into the simmering sauce until it reaches your desired consistency, which should be slightly thick. Once your chili dipping sauce has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat. It's crucial to let it cool completely before storing it in an airtight container. The flavors will continue to develop and deepen as it rests, especially after about 30 minutes. This amazing sauce is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it with your favorite spring rolls, crispy dumplings, or even as a zesty marinade for grilled chicken. Happy dipping!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.